Looking to tackle dirt, grime, and stains with ease? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best electric pressure washers to help you find the perfect tool for your cleaning needs. From powerful performance to user-friendly designs, we've got it all covered. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the LawnMaster LT306 electric pressure washer. The LawnMaster LT306 electric pressure washer is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from washing cars to cleaning driveways and patios. With its high-pressure performance, safety features, and convenient storage options, it has become a popular choice for homeowners. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. Here's a detailed look at the pros and cons of the LawnMaster LT306 electric pressure washer. Pros: powerful cleaning performance. The LawnMaster LT306 delivers up to 4,200 psi of pressure, making it highly effective for tackling tough cleaning tasks. Whether you're removing stubborn stains from driveways or cleaning large surfaces like house exteriors, this pressure washer provides the power needed to get the job done efficiently. Versatile cleaning options. This pressure washer comes with 4 quick connect nozzles, including 0, 15, 25, and 40 options. These nozzles allow you to adjust the spray pattern for different tasks, from concentrated cleaning for tough stains to wider sprays for larger areas like windows and cars. The included foam cannon is an added bonus, enhancing your car washing experience. Safety features. Safety is a priority with the LawnMaster L306. The total stop system automatically shuts off the motor when the trigger is released, which not only conserves energy but also extends the pump's lifespan. Additionally, the safety lock prevents accidental triggering of the spray gun, making it safer for households with children. The GFCI plug provides extra protection against electric shock, ensuring a safer user experience. Convenient storage design. The pressure washer is designed with integrated storage solutions, including a telescopic handle, hose hook, spray gun holder, power cord hook, foam tank hanger, and nozzle holder. These features make it easy to organize and store the equipment, reducing the hassle of tangled cords and misplaced accessories. Cons. Heavy and bulky design. While the integrated storage features are convenient, the pressure washer itself can be heavy and bulky. This might make it difficult to move around, especially for users who need to transport it frequently or store it in tight spaces. The LawnMaster LT306 electric pressure washer is a robust and versatile cleaning tool that offers powerful performance, safety features, and convenient storage options. Its dual water intake system and professional customer support further enhance its appeal. Coming in at number 4, the Craftsman CMEPW1700 electric pressure washer. The Craftsman CMEPW1700 electric pressure washer is designed to handle various outdoor cleaning tasks efficiently. With a pressure range of 1,650–2,300 psi and a 1.4 GPM max flow rate, this machine delivers ample power to revitalize exteriors, porches, decks, and more. Whether you need to wash off mud, grime, or rust, this pressure washer comes equipped with multiple accessories to help you get the job done. Pros. Versatile performance. The pressure washer offers a broad PSI range, making it suitable for different cleaning tasks. From light-duty car washes to heavy-duty deck cleaning, it handles a variety of surfaces effectively. Customizable spray options. With 3 nozzle strengths, users can adjust the pressure level according to the cleaning requirement. This flexibility allows for precise and efficient cleaning. Foam bottle for car cleaning. The included 20-ounce foam bottle aerates detergent, making car washing more effective and reducing the need for manual scrubbing. Extended reach. A 20-foot high-pressure hose combined with a 35-foot power cord provides excellent mobility, allowing users to clean large areas without frequent repositioning. Dedicated car cleaning accessories. The pressure washer includes a brush and a hub brush specifically designed for car wheels, ensuring a thorough and gentle clean for vehicles. Comprehensive package. The unit comes with essential accessories such as a spray gun, turbo lance, garden hose connector, tip cleaner, and additional brushes, providing great value for users. Cons: plastic components. Some parts, such as the nozzle connectors and housing, are made of plastic, which may raise concerns about long-term durability. The Craftsman CMEPW1700 electric pressure washer is a solid choice for homeowners looking for an efficient and versatile cleaning tool. With adjustable spray settings, extended reach, and dedicated car cleaning accessories, it offers excellent value for routine cleaning tasks. At number 3, we have the Greenworks GPW1602 electric pressure washer. The Greenworks GPW1602 electric pressure washer promises to be a reliable and versatile cleaning companion, capable of tackling a range of cleaning tasks with efficiency and ease. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Pros: enhanced portability and storage. With its powerful 2030 psi cleaning capacity and a 2.5 GPM water pressure, the Greenworks GPW1602 is designed for robust cleaning across a variety of surfaces. The inclusion of a 26-foot high-pressure hose and Velcro fasteners ensures that the machine is easy to maneuver and store, offering hassle-free portability. Improved stability. The upgraded swivel joint mechanism and oversized wheels enhance stability during operation. The design minimizes hose entanglement and makes it easy to maneuver across different types of terrain. Versatile nozzle options. This pressure washer comes with multiple nozzle configurations, including 0, 15, 25, and 40, catering to a wide range of cleaning needs. Whether you're tackling tough stains on driveways, delicate surfaces like cars, or large areas like decks and fences, there's a nozzle for the job. Safety and multifunctional design. The self-priming system ensures smooth access to water, while the automatic stop feature enhances safety by halting the machine when the handle is released. An IPX5 waterproof rating further adds to its reliability, making it suitable for outdoor use in various weather conditions. Effortless assembly. The Greenworks GPW1602 is designed with user convenience in mind, offering clear instructions that streamline the assembly process. You can quickly set it up and start cleaning without any hassle. Cons: limited pressure for heavy-duty tasks. While the 2030 psi is sufficient for most household and medium-duty cleaning jobs, it might fall short for extremely tough industrial-level grime or extensive commercial use. The Greenworks GPW1602 electric pressure washer stands out as a dependable and user-friendly choice for residential and light commercial cleaning tasks. Its portability, versatility, and safety features make it a strong contender in the market. Next up at number 2 is the Westinghouse EPX3100 electric pressure washer. The Westinghouse EPX3100 electric pressure washer is a high-performance cleaning tool designed for versatility, safety, and ease of use. It delivers powerful performance for a wide range of cleaning tasks, from outdoor surfaces to vehicles. This video is a detailed analysis of its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Pros: high pressure and powerful motor. The Westinghouse EPX3100 boasts a maximum pressure of 4,500 psi, powered by an efficient 1,800-watt copper core motor. This high pressure makes it ideal for tackling tough stains on surfaces such as driveways, patios, and even painted walls without much effort. Energy-efficient design. Despite its power, the pressure washer is energy efficient thanks to its copper core motor. It delivers strong performance while consuming less energy, making it environmentally and economically friendly. Safety features. This model places a high emphasis on safety, overheating protection, prevents motor damage, and reduces the risk of electric shock. Total Stop System, TSS, automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, enhancing motor life and saving energy. Safety Lock and GFCI Plug prevent accidental operation and safeguard against electricity leaks, making it safe for families with children. Versatile cleaning options. Equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles and a foam cannon, this pressure washer adapts to a variety of cleaning tasks. The nozzles allow you to clean narrow gaps, delicate surfaces, and large areas efficiently. The foam cannon further enhances cleaning by producing rich foam when used with detergent. Extended reach and flexibility. With a 20-foot high-pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord, this pressure washer provides excellent reach. It can also draw water from a tap or a bucket, giving you flexibility in where you use it. Cons. Noise levels. The powerful motor, while efficient, generates noticeable noise during operation. This could be a drawback for users in noise-sensitive areas. The Westinghouse EPX3100 electric pressure washer is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool packed with safety features and thoughtful design elements. Its high-pressure output and included accessories make it an excellent choice for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Finally, at number 1, we have the PowRyte P264K electric pressure washer. The Westinghouse EPX3100 electric pressure washer is a high-performance cleaning machine designed to handle tough outdoor cleaning tasks. With a powerful 1800W copper core motor delivering up to 4,500 psi of pressure, this pressure washer is ideal for cleaning driveways, patios, vehicles, and even painted surfaces. It comes with multiple nozzles, a foam cannon, and excellent safety features. But is it the right pressure washer for you? Let's dive into its pros and cons. Pros. Powerful cleaning performance. With a maximum pressure of 4,500 psi, the Westinghouse EPX3100 is capable of handling stubborn dirt, grime, and mold on various surfaces. The high-efficiency copper core motor ensures steady performance while keeping energy consumption low. Multiple nozzles and foam cannon. Equipped with 4 quick connect metal spray nozzles and a foam cannon, this washer offers versatility for different cleaning tasks. The foam cannon enhances cleaning efficiency by producing thick foam when used with detergent. Safety features. The inclusion of a total stop system and safety lock prevents accidental activation, making it safer to use, especially around children. Additionally, the overheating protection ensures longevity, and the GFCI power plug prevents electrical hazards. Fantastic storage and compact design. This pressure washer is designed for convenience, featuring a hose reel, spray rack, power cord hook, foam cannon holder, and nozzle holder. The compact design allows for easy storage in small spaces. Cons. Weight and bulkiness. Despite its compact storage design, some users may find it a bit heavy and difficult to move around, especially for extended cleaning sessions. The Westinghouse EPX3100 electric pressure washer is an excellent choice for homeowners looking for a powerful, versatile, and feature-packed cleaning tool. With 4,500 psi pressure, multiple nozzles, safety features, and convenient storage options, it excels at tackling a wide range of cleaning tasks.